bumbo clatish.
Me too. No, like your voice. You know what I'm saying? You're not in it, Leisha. It's literally on me.
Was in the shop selling food to a
Am I not starting a vlog?
Danvers Basel. Both men were shot.
So anyways, hi guys. It is a new morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Auntie. She does not want to get on camera.
Hello.
She's here. She's with me. She just doesn't want to get on camera. We are about to go to the post office. We are going to try and get our address change. We are having problems with our mail because where we live, there's houses close to us that have the same numbers as us. It's so silly. So our mail keeps on going to this guy, and he's so sweet. He actually brought us some of our items, and then some we don't get. Like, some of them are saying that they're delivered and we're not getting them. So we just have to go to the post office because this is like a huge issue. We just left the library. Yes, we went to the library. So we are about to go to the post office really quick. I'm drinking my morning smoothie
That you made.
that I made. Yeah, and that is that on that. So we will, well, I'll let you know what happens if I do get our address change. Oh my gosh, this guy has been like watching us like a hawk, and then pretending when I look over there, he's like pretending that
Pretend like you not look.
that he's not looking at us. Sir, we are unbothered, okay? We are unbothered. I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys because I did buy some things from the anniversary sale for Nordstrom's. I only got 2 things. Well, actually it's 1 thing, but it's a set. And yeah, I will show you guys what I got.
Call me on the phone, you're bugging me. When you follow me around, you're bugging me. Everything you do be bugging me. You're bugging me, you're bugging me. You call me on the phone, you're bugging me. When you follow me around, you're bugging me. Everything you do be bugging me. You're bugging me, you're bugging me. You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone poles. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block. F-A-O-L, make my email stop. Cause you a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me. And don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my beat, but you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. Just 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my milk box full.
$6.98. That's worth it. It's Play-Doh. That's nice.
How is it?
Play-Doh. Yeah, so you can make shapes and
Yeah, Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Something soft. So you make it.
Yeah, you can create and stuff. It's good for kids.
Well, I'm trying to left me. Well, probably something left on the table. That's not a good.
I don't. You key for towels,
I'm
ma'am.
going to have Play-Doh.
Food. Guys, we are in Macy's. Mom is shopping for towels. I need a pair of new sheets. I don't know why, but I feel like sheets are so expensive now, like all of a sudden. Before, I think you could get like a nice pair of, this is my,
Give that, you know. Search this wedding when the woman do so. That's $14 for 1 piece.
no, but it's
40% off. $9 for guess. Eh?
Oh, what does it smell like?
Yes, I don't know. Very easily.
A bugaboo.
love it.
Okay, no one.
Guys, we're in Macy's and there's a... I don't want the mask to break me out. You know when you put the mask here, you get like... Yeah. That's why they said it's better to wear the cloth ones because you can...
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in the lane, so I'ma send a Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace.
Let me know when you're ready. Good? Guys, follow my auntie on TikTok. Okay, let me know when you're ready, huh? I'm gonna go get my lashes done, okay guys? These baby lashes, bye-bye. Okay, ready? Oh, move it however you want it. I'm the hype girl, period. Hire me, okay? I'm a hype girl. Are you gonna...
Just press me walk.
Why don't you sit and then get up?
Okay.
I'm the director too. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Life for them, nothing for them, me at way. Hey, I wanna live my life. Wanna live my life. But keep a smile on my face. Just to trick the pussy them. I won't tell you. And if I'm one thing in our life, don't just a pussy friend. Life for them, nothing for them.
Guys, so hi, welcome back to the vlog. My aunt and I, can you guys see? My aunt and I are kind of enjoying the last days of summer. We are here just chilling. My aunt is doing some TikTok videos. Follow her on TikTok. And I'm just here. I'm her hype girl. So what's going on? So basically, I shipped out all of our orders for Hair Oh So Lavish. This is the hair. I have installed it so many times. Actually just 3 times, but that's many. That's more than what I usually do. So, can you guys see me? So yeah, we're just enjoying the last days of summer. And we're just here. We might go to there's like a bar area where there's like snacks and stuff, so we might get some treats before we go to the mall. I need to pick up some new lipstick. And thank you guys so much for everyone that ordered from Hair Oh So Lavish. This is our raw Indian hair. It's absolutely beautiful. I will be reaching out to everyone that placed an order with Hair Oh So Lavish. I definitely want to hear what you think of the hair. Hopefully most of you guys have like installed the hair. Please wash the hair before you install it. The hair is gonna look a million times more beautiful. So yeah, so we're just here. We've been just working on a lot of... You're done? Okay, I want to go over to that cafe. You want something?
What do you want?
Something. My favorite, Leash. I'm getting one of these babies. guys, Auntie Leisha and I are here. I don't even know what I did with my phone. We got cheese tarts. I mean, fruit tarts. You said you didn't like it last time. You did like it, you liar. Cause
Yeah, we never hungry last time.
no, you tried it and you're like, ew.
Next up my order.
It's coming. I think they have to like make it. Oh, we look so cute. Do a thumbnail. Hold on, let me fix myself. Let me get it together. I look better when I don't try. When I try, it's like a disaster. It's a disaster, okay? I gotta just act, I mean, just be myself. Because when I act, I mean, try something, it just doesn't work out. Thank you, sweetie. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. You did not like it last time. Thank you.
You feel chilly?
Yeah.
It's not all that great, but
This one's not that good. The other one's really good.
it's fruits.
C'est pas comme ça qu'on fait les choses. Oh, dja dja, y'a pas moyen, dja dja. J'suis pas ta cata, dja dja. Genre, en katana, baby, tu jettes ça. Oh, dja dja, y'a pas moyen, dja dja. J'suis pas ta cata, dja dja. Genre, en katana, baby, tu jettes ça. Oh, dja dja, y'a pas moyen, dja dja. J'suis pas ta
When they can't go to the freezer, I pull a little seed bag and it's supposed to pull and sizzle up.
Look at this lady though, and her heels. Yes, baby. He's cold, Lee. Look at his legs, cold. What up?
What did they do here?
So cold. His face looks like he likes it though, smiling.
Katana, dja dja, genre, en katana, baby, tu jettes ça. Oh, dja dja, y'a pas moyen, dja dja. J'suis pas ta katana, dja dja, genre, en katana, baby, tu jettes ça. C'est pas comme ça qu'on fait les choses. Putain, mais tu déconnes. C'est pas comme ça qu'on fait les choses. Putain, si tu déconnes. C'est pas comme ça qu'on fait les choses. Putain, mais tu déconnes. C'est pas comme ça qu'on fait les choses. Oh, dja dja, j'suis pas ta katana, dja dja, non. Y'a pas moyen, dja dja, ouais. En katana, baby, tu
If you pull up and tell you with them fucking food on a cook on I mean nice food there, me have to go there.
It's chilly.
Let me start to see this.
Motherfuckers,
we are outside.
We're going in
What's up? What's up? Motherfuckers,
Sort it out. Let me say something though. Let me say something. Listen,
we are outside.
when you are with your woman and y'all are out, eyes should be on her only. Period. Period. Okay?
Man there with the woman and I
Breaking
think so me
his
going
neck.
Burlington. And me say me going to Airline go look. Come here, it seems something to get with them, I put the pillar them, you know.
Oh, the vacuum thing. Yeah, yeah.
And me say man there with the woman and the man they say look for me.
Where? You went in the line or you were in shop? You were shopping.
Me in Airline, come here, me want to reach up to the something. So me have to join the line to get the something. Remember
Oh
I said me
yeah,
going-
yeah. It's in the aisle. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, so me go in there. Me say I want to see how the man they look. Me they have on breast, I say me breast nipple him.
The nipples.
They stick him in the eye. If you want to see how the man they look, the woman have to lick him in the back.
How embarrassing.
And he turn around.
So what? Was she talking to him and realized that he was looking at you? Like, I don't get that part.
When they talk to the woman from me in the line, the man they say tear for me so.
So he just was like this?
Yes, they look for me. Every time I look, so I turn my eyes, so when I look back for me, I make 4. The woman clad him in him back.
Bam!
The woman give me a look in him back. Yeah, me 4.
Bang! Oh my gosh.
You know when they look for someone, I ever snipple him.
That's so embarrassing.
I know Brazil.
She's probably used to it. That's why she just banged him. And then he turned around.
Then he turned around and then they sitting to the woman is sitting to him. And then the woman start look for me now.
Were they together?
Yes, and the woman. Then the woman they look for me now. I don't know when they say to him, man. He must have want to say me they look for him, man. If she can ask me sitting, me say, girl, fuck you. If she can ask me sitting for me, no see, man.
No, but Lisha, you have to look straight. He doesn't have to look back.
Yeah, him they look back.
Right.
For me, they mind for me one business, I'm the mind for me.
What if you...
I say my man, he can't come clot me.
Well, what if that was your man? What if you went somewhere and your man was just staring at some girl? What would you do?
Oh.
You would clot.
I clot him and let back too.
Would you feel embarrassed?
No, I'm embarrassed for. No, sir. Man, I feel look for a woman. Woman, I feel look for a man too.
Lisha, but there's a difference of looking
The man
and then
stare. When I tell me, say, woman, it's a man they look for me, so.
You have to be like aware of your surroundings, because what if you weren't paying attention? You don't know if that man was there, you know? Ladies, be very alert.
The man this a look for me. Say, it's a man they look.
You went by yourself?
Yes, the man when they look for clothes on me, going island to get this up. Because I never want to sell.
Oh, because there was only 2. Yeah. Oh.
Feel bumbo clatish.
Me too. Are we gonna go for a walk?
Walk go where?
Today's the what?
No,
the
walk
8th?
go nowhere.
Tomorrow the first set of clothing comes. I'm not gonna put it in the vlog. You watch that video I sent you?
Which video?
I sent it to you on Instagram. That's how I want to release, you know? That's how I want to release. Yeah.
I love piercing.
I like piercings and tattoos, but
I like... take out most of my piercings.
You're right. Amen.
No, do it back.
No. So, but you still have the hole, or did they close up?
Alright, it will still do this. I'm gonna put ring in them.
No, don't.
What
So I don't like these. They're called snake bites up here. What do they call them in Jamaica? Van Dam?
I want them back.
I don't like that. Where am I, Leash?
I don't know.
Oh no, I go. Wait, do I go straight? Yeah, I turn. So, anyways.
No, I'm piercing them. I take out.
I don't think I would like it. I really love.
When we have been to look find one, it's nice, cute. It's
cute. It's like a baby. No, but I really like these little knickknacks. Okay.
All my piercing, yes, all my nipple, you know, long me I do from Delma for.
Oh, your nipple piercings?
And one time, when I there Jamaica, I'm in a room and he come in there, I turn me back. Nah, I turn me on, you know.
Where they hurt?
I want to see it and I want money, I come out and I want blows. Yeah, you dirty blood class. Yeah, they boy your breast nipple. Get them up. They get them boy about the whole too.
Yo, why was that easy? Were they painful?
Peak.
Would you take 500K or a dinner with Jay-Z?
500K, what the blood clot me to go do with Jay-Z? Go sit down up on Jay-Z? And when me done me hungry? Me want the money, me not sit down with no fucking Jay-Z. Me don't know Jay-Z look already. When go tell me say no.
He's a billionaire, so maybe he could give you some advice.
No, sir, me don't want no
or
fucking
he
advice.
could be like, this salmon is really delicious.
It's fucking delicious. Money. Me take the money. Jay-Z gonna go feel up Beyonce body.
Let him feel up Beyonce's body.
No go on date with me. Over the money?
Over the money.
I'm mad. So, I don't like me like money like that.
You wanna go anywhere, Leash?
But I want to go home. Where we are going in the house? Go in the house for money. I don't want to go home.
I'm just saying I can be.
Hi guys. So Leash, you wanna say hello? Hello. Today we are taking some pictures. Look at this outfit. Yes, this is what you call being festive, okay? Do you see the print? Do you see the curve? Do you see the swirl? Yeah, that's what we need. That is what we need, okay? To end summer with a little print action, a little vavoom, gagoom. That's what we need for the end of the summer. I feel like I'm getting smaller. Yes, Goody. Look at Goody in the mini. Yes, Goody. In her Bentley. Yes, baby. Wow. Okay. Okay, that's the energy we need. Period. All right, guys. We're going to see you in a bit. We're going to go take some pictures. I'm definitely bringing y'all. Y'all don't even have to ask. I'm going to leave y'all. Period. Oh, Makeda. This is the remix.
Oh, yeah.
Da-na-na-na-na. If I ever told you that, have I told you that you're beautiful? How does that song? Have I told you lately? How does that song go?
I don't know.
Have I told you lately that you're beautiful? No, that's not how it goes. Have I told you lately?
Please.
Have I told you
Stick
lately?
to English, I cannot sing.
Rod Stewart. Above you.
No pity in your hand.
We can't even sing peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, one that you call and you talk to.
Guys, we just finished shooting.
I'll see my world with you. You wanna waste your time.
I like this, but I don't think I like the background.
Let's see if I'm focus too much on you.
Right, but this background's ugly. But this, I mean, not this one, this one. But this was perfect. Like, I like, you see how, like, you don't have to put somebody in the center? Yeah. Look at you, girl. I don't like any of these. Guys, we are done shooting. I have had enough.
Pack up your bag and pan them for me.
Baby, it's you. I promise that I would be a bush gonna bone. Okay, we're going home. I'm hungry. I'm tired. Rod Stewart.
Who?
We're listening to. I want to hear this one.
No, you don't love song, you know.
Why not? Lisha, I am a hopeless romantic, so I am going to play the love songs until my boo plays them for me. Period. I'm manifesting everything I want, aka I'm praying for everything I want. I don't get the manifesting thing. Is manifesting like thinking about it or whatever? Well, I pray for everything I want and I work towards it.
Please.
This was an A and B conversation. I don't know why you're seeing around this. Baby, I promise.
No, stop promise.
Baby, I promise. You can't dance because your shoulders never move.
You can't dance like me. I dance for my girl. I dance every song.
You see these shoulders? Nobody can compete with these. I don't see them.
Pretty, oh lad, you pretty gal. You know it's the voice of my dog and I'm representing for Makeda Kerr YouTube channel. So please like, subscribe and comment and hit the notification bell for the latest video on her channel. Pretty, oh lad, you pretty gal.